Let's talk about Neurobrainity. It is the fourth part of the MVOC spiritual system. Neurobrainity is related to the earth level and all the knowledge that is created around us. But we have to acquire this knowledge so that we can achieve what is needed and as needed on the earth plane. Etheric analysis and mapping of the brain is carried out in relation to its function and its capabilities. All activities are captured in the fictional world, and the acquisition of techniques and concepts, decoding and use of the best elements with a liberated look. With this knowledge and its implementation, what we are doing is our immediate intervention in blockages, constraints, disturbances. Everything starts from the brain. The brain interprets and responds according to the information it receives either consciously or unconsciously, from any source, physical or ethereal, and stimulates or stops, creates, maintains or destroys specific electrochemical processes. It is the ultimate instrument of the human device, which science is still trying to understand and conquer. The complexity of the nervous network is still inconceivable for humans in terms of how science is trying to analyze and interpret the function of the brain. Unfortunately, science searches in accordance with the stereotypes and close ties of the earth plane, following the rules gullibly and unconditionally, putting out of the way everything that it cannot be proven through equations or through detection with their devices and tools. The brain is a multi-layered device, and this is the way we have to look at it. This has been scientifically proven so far with a host of admirable functions. Many more functions and capabilities are about to be discovered in the near future that will prove us right. With Neurobrainity, we work on the etheric brain function in specific areas depending on the task we want to perform. This is changing in the physical brain the electrochemical signal flowing through the neural network. We can change commands either for fear or for insecurity, self-esteem, strength goals, changes in the body's improper functions and restoration. We interact with the codons through the etheric imprint that structure the RNA and eventually the DNA. We align the etheric brain to the physical brain. Using the specific technical knowledge, we get the results we want, and it is absolutely safe, always respecting rules and safe approaches. This knowledge is given by Mr. Syrgianis, founder of the MVOC spiritual system. 2 levels of the MVOC and 50 seals, the 13 pearls, and the master key 1 are a prerequisite for someone to do Neurobrainity. This enables each student and each teacher or therapist of this knowledge, while going through in all these techniques, to understand who and what they are. To give a completely different value to their being than they have learned so far, to understand in depth the majority of the techniques that currently existing on the earth level, to appreciate it, to understand and to cooperate with all the forces, rules and codes that govern every reality. To become an integral being, responsible and intact without fear within, because they will simply have the knowledge. We are waiting for you in this wonderful and demanding journey, to discover together the unlimited self and existence and transmit this knowledge to humanity. To help humanity find the power, through its absolute center of operation, to reach levels which need to stream, through this particular linear view of time. Subscribe now and join us in this beautiful journey. Contact us in www.VAIRAcademy.com/neurobrainity.